Here's me Ford for 3000. Started restoring a bit of it. All the sheet metal sort of restored. It did have a cab on it. New valve plate. It all needs wiring up. New wiring loop. Ain't been fully restored yet. There's the cab that used to be on it. There's the wings or fender benders, whatever you want to call it. There's your David Brown 770. JCB, not a clue what that is. That's not my there's my tractor, there's the other tractor. For $3,000. Here's a mower that needs to be fixed for this summer but isn't fixed yet. Got to work on that. Got some cogs that need making up from the machine shop. There's the JCB pad. Here's me 16-foot Wayfarer boat. There's a quad. Here's me blacksmithing workshop here. There we are. There's a load of horseshoes everywhere. I make them. If anybody wants one, it's a tenner. And here's me workbench. Big grinder. Sort of stuff everywhere. Just been welding, motorbike.